Hi everyone, Anthony Wall Street Trader, 3:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, November 26, 2021. We're going to go fast. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Let's go straight into Origin US dollar. Currently sitting over around $1.01. Looking for a bounce here. We definitely had a nice line of support that continues to maintain its position. A couple of reasons why we're going to go in a second. We're at $1.01, and next leg down, if we do drop past that, we could be in for a fall down to 93 cents. That's worst case scenario in my view right now as it stands in the crypto market. Big dip. We were all the way up here at $1.25, came down. Still over this diagonal green line of support. Let's go take a look over at Origin Bitcoin. Same thing. Over this area of support, which is currently the diagonal orange line. Now we have two lines of support coming together, really trying to propel this price action up. So something to be aware of. Current support right now, 1850, 1821 below that. In worst case scenario, we got 1720 below that. In the meantime, looking like around the 2000 range, 2000 or so, a little above that looks like to be the area of resistance in general. In the meantime, Bitcoin having a dippy do. Certainly a little bit below the blue line. Same thing over here. We expected that it could. If it didn't hit 60,200, it would probably hit the line below, which is around 55 or so, depending on where we were in the timeline. So right now we have around a 54,000 level of support in currently. We do take another spill in the event. We could be in for a 48 handle. So like worst case scenario between today and tomorrow, if we did wind up melting down because this coronavirus thing gets out of hand in Africa, then we might be in for a little bit of a surprise. But right now, 54,000 seems to be holding up temporarily. A little bit of a concern with the patterns showing here with this kind of drop. And then you have kind of a, it almost looks like a descending, like an upside down pennant, which could be bearish. Just saying. So just got to keep our eye on this very closely. But this looks to be a good area of support at 54. Just saying, if we do end up turning downward below 54, I think we could be headed to 48. But we'll keep our eye on that in the meantime. Over to Bitcoin dominance. Why I think that might not happen is because I think overall Bitcoin dominance isn't really showing. Look, we did have a spike. There's no question about it. Happened, what time did it happen? It happened around 5, 6 in the morning. This is when Bitcoin started tumbling pretty badly. So we did see it spike all the way from 42 all the way to 43. I mean, that's almost a 100 basis point move. I mean, that's 1% within an hour. That's very, very large of a move for that period of time. However, we did come all the way back down to this area of support. So Bitcoin dominance not looking terrible. We're still 42.26. We didn't skyrocket. There's nothing serious here. I still think overall still a pullback, a necessary pullback, and I don't want to say the word healthy, but it is a healthy pullback. It just sucks because we're not feeling it right now. But at some point in time, I think as this continues to move forward, as long as Bitcoin stays tame to go higher, I think Bitcoin dominance will continue to drop. But right now, a little bit of uncertainty in the market, just given everything going on at the macro level. Now let's go back to Origin though. In terms of Origin dollar, $1 support right now with a 93 below, as well as an area of resistance around $1.20. And we'll keep you posted.